Today I'm going to show you how to cook stuffed portobello mushrooms. All you need is chicken breast and these seasonings, and just chop up all your seasonings and chop up your chicken breast real fine. Place them in a pan with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And no need to take your gills out. Just take the stem off your mushroom. Go ahead and grease up your mushrooms with that coconut oil and place some cheese on top of those gaps. Stuff your mushrooms, and you're gonna top them with your seasoning and some cheese. You're gonna place your mushrooms in the oven on 400 for about 12 to 15 minutes, and there you have it. It's so good. That is good. That is good. So easy to make.